What's up, my brothers and sisters? It's your boy Billy Bobowski here in Hawaii. Freaking hot as hell. But I got an unboxing for you guys to see. The unboxing first. Let me get a beverage, okay? Because it's fucking hot. Oh my god. Better. One more time. Much better. Cheers. But anyways, here's the unboxing for you guys that I was telling you. WWE action figure. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat. Come on in, check it out. Come on in, cameraman. Whoa, camera lady. Here it is. Don't mind the bodega. But here we go. Got it? Aim at the box, mama. Here we go. This is what I've been waiting for. Oh my god, look at this beast. Ricky the Dragon Steamboat, people. March 30th, 1991, the Dragon devastated Brooklyn Brawler in the blazing return to the WWE. Woo! Sick! Another defining moment here at Billy Bobowski's YouTube. So I hope you guys like it. Give it a thumbs up. And comment, share below, and all that wonderful stuff I tell you guys. It's your boy Billy Bobowski. Much love and aloha. See you guys later.